Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Crimson Desert DirectX 12 not supported error on Windows 11. First, check your graphics card. This error often appears if your GPU does not support DirectX 12. You can search your GPU model online and confirm its DirectX support. Next, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Crimson Desert and open Properties. In the General section, look for Launch Options. If you see commands like DX12 or D3D12, remove them. These can force the game into a mode that your system may not support properly. If the game still does not work, you can try forcing DirectX 11 instead. In the same Launch Options box, type DX11 or D3D11. This can help the game run using an older but more stable graphics mode. After that, verify your game files. Go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will fix missing or broken files that may cause DirectX errors. You should also update your graphics drivers. If you have NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. If you have AMD, use Adrenalin software. New drivers are important for DirectX 12 support and performance. Finally, restart your PC after making all changes. Thanks for watching.